Here we go. This is your common question. Being Binibining Dasmariñas means being a woman of representation, not just beauty, but influence. What is one message that you want to convey to the whole city of Dasmariñas to hear clearly through you? Ang pagiging Binibining Dasmariñas ay nangangahulugang pagiging isang babaeng kumakatawan, hindi lamang sa kagandahan, kundi pati na rin sa impluensya. Ano ang isang mensaheng nais mong iparating sa buong lungsod ng Dasmariñas na marinig nila ng malinaw sa pamamagitan mo?
The city of Dasmariñas is a city of transformation. And the message that I want to tell everyone here is, your pain has purpose, your purpose is here. Last year, I lost my dad to diabetes. And consequently that year, I failed a major subject in school. That experience broke me, but that experience transformed me. It led me to be the woman I am, and it led me to be more humble in life, to never take things for granted. And it led me to my purpose, which is to be of service to other people. That's why I joined Binibining Dasmariñas, because I want to tell everyone that your pain has a purpose. And because of that pain, I'm standing here right now. Because if we really want a beautiful, progressive, at the same time purposeful Dasmariñas,